Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn IELTS vocabulary. Building a strong vocabulary is crucial for all 4 sections of the IELTS test. We'll cover key strategies to help you expand your word knowledge efficiently. This includes understanding the types of words you need, focusing on academic and topic-specific terms, and using proven memorization techniques. Let's dive into how you can boost your scores. To learn effectively, integrate new words into your daily routine. Flashcards, either physical or digital, are excellent for quick review. Try to learn words within sentences or paragraphs, not in isolation, by reading articles or listening to podcasts. Grouping words by theme, like environment or technology, helps create stronger connections in your memory. Simply learning words isn't enough. You must use them. Incorporate new vocabulary into your IELTS speaking and writing practice tasks. Maintain a vocabulary notebook where you record new words, their definitions, and example sentences. Consistent review is key to moving words from your passive to active vocabulary, ensuring you can recall them during the test. Leverage official IELTS guides and trusted online platforms for targeted vocabulary lists and exercises. Set achievable daily goals, perhaps learning 10 to 15 new words, to build your vocabulary consistently without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.